Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 Cardinal Red 31RL fifth wheel. This is a new lineup for the Cardinal brand. This is going to be their lowest price point that they've recently come out with. So we're going to take a few minutes, walk you through the inside and outside of this unit, show you what it's all about. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we're up inside the brand new 2023 Cardinal Red 31RL fifth wheel here. And this is the new lineup for the Cardinal series. So the Red series is going to be their least expensive. They also have the Limited series, which is their midline. And then you have the Luxury series, which will be their highline. So depending on what you're looking to spend money-wise, they're going to now have 3 different price points under the Cardinal name. So let's get started here with some of the things on this unit. So we have a freestanding dinette with 4 chairs and a flip-up leaf extension there. Over here you have a manual theater seat. It does have a cup holder in each side. There's also an electric outlet down in behind there. You have trifold sofa, which will flip out and make into a bed, so you could sleep 2 people back here if you have some guests or grandkids that might want to come along with you. Electric outlet and USB charger ports on each end table there. The windows across the back, nice big windows there, do actually open. They have little screens in them. Get you a good view and some airflow on the rear here. Overhead cabinet space. Now straight across from your theater seat, you have your entertainment area, currently using a Furrion TV. You have an electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater, but you can turn the heat on or off and just use the ambient lighting if you want. And up top here, you have some storage space. Goes all the way across there on both sides. Over here we have pantry area. Pretty good amount of space there. On the side of the island you have one of your heat ducts blowing out here and an electric outlet. You have a little drawer down below your oven. They have the Greystone oven with the little glass front. Has a light built in, light up knobs, 3-burner cooktop, flip down glass lid to give you some extra counter space. There's a little bit of storage on the right side there of the oven. You have Greystone microwave and Greystone hood range light and fan, and some more storage beside there. Currently using a 12-volt refrigerator here. So you got roughly a 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator, so freezer on bottom, refrigerator on top. Little storage underneath of that also. And just kind of looking down the ceiling here, you got a couple hang down pendant lighting. You got your ducted air conditioning system. Looks like it's the Furrion brand they're currently using. Up here we have another little pantry area. This one here, not real deep, probably good for some canned goods and stuff like that. It's probably, I'd say maybe about 5 inches deep roughly. And over here you have a little bit of storage under here. Thermostat control here for your AC. And then you have some more storage space up here. And a little room up top there where you could maybe put some decoration and stuff. Now on the island area here, let's flip this open here for you. You got a couple full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. And then you have storage space underneath. Entry door is a traditional RV entry door and screen door, nothing real special here. But they did put a couple little coat hooks next to the door there, so you could maybe hang your coat there if you're fall camping, coming in and out. Now down here is the electric box with the breakers and fuses. Then up here is going to be your control panel set up here. And basically, you're going to have some light switches, some selector switches for the slides and awnings, water heater, water pump, 12-volt tank heaters, battery conditions, monitor panels for your holding tanks. You got a Wi-Fi connectivity thing here, which basically allow you to connect to your phone, a Bluetooth thing. So you could do some controls that way. Grab handle here going up the hallway. And immediately on the left here, we're going to have our bathroom area. So we'll kind of start from the top here. You have a little vent fan up here, skylight above the shower. It's basically a step-in shower, some more coat hooks, foot flush toilet. Some storage space below your sink area and a little bit beside it. So it's an okay sized bathroom, nothing real huge, but again, this is a smaller camper. You do have heat and AC both in the bathroom area. Here we have camper queen bed. You have the bed that will actually raise up, give you some storage underneath. It does have a slide out up here you've seen in the floor plan picture earlier. Some lights over there. Furrion AC up here as well. Some drawer space. Window will open over there. TV hookups. If you wanted to put your TV up here, you could. There's also a little Wi-Fi connector thing here as well by Furrion. Not sure if that's standard or an option. We'll have to check out the specs on this one. Kind of learning with this video along with you here. Electric outlet, USB charger ports down there as well. Then you have a big hanging closet, goes all the way across the front side of the RV here. A little shelf space in there too. There's electric outlet in there. Spinning around here, looking toward the rear of the RV, there is another little closet area right there. Second thermostat for that air conditioner. Sliding door here. But overall, a pretty nice little entry-level unit here. I mean, this thing costs roughly, I'd say almost half of what their luxury line costs. We'll get into putting a little more description on some of the pricing and options and features and stuff down below in the description of the video here. But we're gonna head outside. I wanna show you around the outside real quick, show you what that's all about. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we're back on the outside of the brand new 2023 Cardinal Red 31RL model here. We're gonna spin our way around the outside real quick. So first things up, this is a white fiberglass exterior with a lower kind of gray metal skirting. You have power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body. You have adjustable arms for tilting for water runoff, manual override in the front arm head, and then you also have a little porch light up there as well, just above the entry door. Deep tint safety glass windows on the RV. Electric front stabilizer jacks with the quick pull pins. You have two 20-pound propane tanks. Pretty good size pass-through storage compartment here. Do you have enclosed underbelly? Also, you have cold water spray port, electric outlet, and cable outlet right there as well. They are currently using the More Ride entry step here. This comes down, touches the ground, rated for 500 pounds, where a traditional hover style step's only rated for 300 pounds. So you do have a heavier duty step. Large folding entry handle, traditional RV entry door and screen door. This unit is a double axle unit, has aluminum wheels. Again, triple slide out unit. You've seen that when we were inside here. They are electric slides, so you just push a button and they go in and out. Nice and easy to do, straight in, straight out. Traditional flat back rear end here. The unit is prepped for a rear observation camera by Furrion. Talk with your salesperson about that. That's one feature I would definitely probably recommend to customers. That right there allows you to see what's going on behind you when you're traveling down the road, and it also allows you to see when you're backing into your campsite. So definitely a nice thing to have on there for safety. You can also see that little black rectangular bar up there on the right. That is prepping for the Lippert Stow and Go ladder that you can also buy aftermarket. Basically, it is a telescoping ladder that you can attach there, pull down, rated for about 350 pounds. So it's actually about 100 pounds stronger than the traditional mount on RV ladders. $50 amp electric detachable power cord plugs in right back here. Now again, the unit has a enclosed underbelly. On the rear here, you can also see manual stabilizer jacks. On the side of the kitchen slide here, we have a stove exhaust vent. Your dump area comes out right in front of your axles down here. Again, you can kind of see that enclosed underbelly. Some handles behind the hole there. 6-gallon gas and electric water heater. Furnace exhaust out right here. The other side of the storage compartment area here. You can also see the battery disconnect there, some of that aluminum tube framing that the RV is made out of. You have aluminum tube vacuum bonded foam block insulated sidewalls. Part of your floor structure, also aluminum tubing. Now on the front compartment here, there is kind of a little docking station area here. So you have city water, cable inlets, solar charge controller on the side here for a portable solar panel, docking light button, jack controls, low point hot and cold water drains down here. So a few different things basically right in behind that door. And then on the side right here, you're gonna have some important informational stickers. I'm gonna pop these up for you here real quick. The first one popping up is your main production data sticker. Now this has the production date, VIN number, axle sizes, but most importantly on this, gross vehicle weight. That's the most you can load the RV up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed that number. Next, you have the unloaded vehicle weight sticker, basically telling you how much the RV weighed when it rolled off the factory assembly line, along with the length as well. Next, cargo carrying capacity sticker, basically telling you how much gear you can load into the RV before you exceed that gross number on the first sticker. And last but not least, tire sticker here, telling you cold tire pressure and tire size. Very important to make sure you maintain that tire pressure. Don't let it drop too low. If it drops too low, the tires can't hold the weight of the RV properly and are more likely to blow out. So very important to keep up with that. On the front here, you have a really nice heavy-duty fiberglass front cap. It has LED light strip that comes down each side. There is also a light above your Rhino pen box as well. Down below here, you have your spare tire Little battery compartment area here. Water pump and stuff inside of here for winterization purposes as well. But overall, a pretty nice entry-level style fifth wheel. You're starting to see more and more brands try to come back down into this price point, as prices have obviously gone up a lot over the last 2 years. So this is Cardinal's attempt to make a little bit more affordable fifth wheel compared to their $100,000 versions they've been making for a long time. So hopefully this might fit your budget, fit your needs. Thanks again, guys, for taking the time to watch my RV video. Really do appreciate it. Be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks again.